let's get these artboards the right size, kind of cleaned up, and make everything ready to submit JPEGs. I'm going to go to the artboard tool. Let's start with this one here. Up here it says WH, width and height. Let's make this 9. Let's make this 9. Same here. So put 9 in for all the height and widths. Next, we're going to group your hexagons together. Command or Control G, select the whole thing with the selection tool, and then group those. And now we just want these somewhere in the middle. It's okay. I know that this artboard is 1, 2, 3, so 4, 5, and 6, and maybe we can try to align these. I'm going to select multiple by pressing Shift and click, and I just want to make this a little bit more organized and clean, so I can kind of move them a little closer just for the sake of cleaning up my work after I have done making a big mess. 4, 5, and 6. So let's file, export as. And we want to use the artboards, and we want to use a range 4 through 6. We don't need 1, 2, and 3. This is called hexagon. My first name, my last name, hexagon. We want this to be JPEG. Say export. Say RGB is okay, 72 is alright. Now let's see the files that were made. I've got my hexagons. There they are. So those are what you're going to submit to the assignment.